Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Richard Tran. I'm a chiropractor here at Color Chiropractic in Bellingham, Washington. Some of you guys may be checking us out from our website and curious about what we do. Other people, you might be checking us out from YouTube, and I wanted to just be able to talk to you from both levels to be able to help you understand whether chiropractic may be good for your pregnancy. You know, my wife and I, we have two children, and we decided to have home births. It was just our choice because we considered it a natural process, and we wanted to be able to respect that process, be able to nurture it, and when the body needed to be able to adapt, to be able to help it adapt to the changes through the work that we do. So, when it comes to any pregnancy, you go through the 3 stages. During that first stage of your first trimester of your pregnancy, you're experiencing a lot of different hormonal shifts, not just yourself, but your child as well too. And the important thing about chiropractic during that time is you want to make sure that your nerve system is actually able to talk really well to your body. Your brain communicates all these signals to those different organs and glands that make those hormones. And sometimes those signals can be cut off in certain ways by a process called vertebral subluxation. That's when the spine actually becomes misaligned. It almost trips those wires where your nerves are, that trip wires, those areas. And then your organs aren't really able to receive the full signal. So chiropractors are really good at being able to find these types of things, be able to realign the body so that those nerves can communicate well. Now, during the second part of the trimester, your body's going through a lot of different changes mechanically. Your abdomen's growing bigger, your breasts are preparing for lactation, so a lot of people have more of that upper back, lower back, or pelvic related issue. Chiropractic is really good during that time because it helps you to deal with the balance going on in your body, making sure that it's able to adapt as you're going through those adaptations. The third stage is really important because that's when the baby really starts to want to get in the best possible position. Sometimes it gets a little stuck on the way, so it results in something called breech births. Now, when the baby isn't in the best possible position, this increases your chance of having more constraint, increases the chance of drugs, having to cut off some of the pain. It increases the chance of surgery, which a lot of times you really don't want to go down that road. So there's specific chiropractors that have these tables that not only can help out with the pregnancy, but they can help out with getting the body aligned during that time too. You want to look for different tables that have like a pelvic drop piece to be able to make adjustments, one that have a breakaway for your abdomen so to accommodate the baby. But there's even different techniques like the Webster technique that deals with those breech types of presentations, helps to get the baby in the best possible position so that it can come out and have a vaginal birth properly. Even the mental aspect is a big thing. There are different techniques like neuroemotional technique that deal with the mental aspect and its impacts on the body too. So all these different things you want to consider regardless of whatever stage of pregnancy that you're in. I hope that this is really useful. If you have any questions and you're in our area, feel free to give us a call, and we can always set up a free consultation to determine whether we're the right fit for you. If you're out of our area, you can still give us a call. We'll try to set you up with the right places to go and certain questions for you to consider too. So I hope that this video was useful, and remember, when it comes to your health, life is always better when you live it in full color. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.
So I'm Brandy Bennett, and this is my husband Grant, and little buddy Asaph. We first discovered Dr. Tran through our midwife at Bellingham Birth Center. They recommended him to us, and I was about 6 to 7 months pregnant and had a breeched baby, and heard that Dr. Tran was well versed in the Webster method, and so I came in for the appointment I was really tired after, took a nap, and while I was sleeping, kind of woke up to ASAP flipping in my belly, which was a really great feeling, and just my body felt more balanced after that as well. But I continued to go to Dr. Tran through my pregnancy, just because he really helped keeping my body aligned all the way through to the end. And one of my favorite things about Dr. Tran is that he did house visits too after my labor. So obviously labor can really beat your body up, and he came over and set up a table and did an adjustment, and I felt 1,000 times better after that.
He actually came. I called him at like 6 in the morning, I think, saying my wife is dying, basically, and he came within, a couple hours. So it was really, really quick, and she really, really needed it. So very dependable, and really took care of us when we most needed it.